What to eat tonight? AI 852 Cooking Guide. Japanese-style apple pork chop. This Japanese-style apple pork chop is a super appetizing and perfect dish to pair with rice, and it's surprisingly easy to cook. Ingredients: pork chop, salt, pepper, apple, Japanese soy sauce, a mirin, honey, garlic, water. Step 1. Marinate the pork. Wash the pork chop, pat it dry and tenderize it slightly. Season both sides with a pinch of salt and pepper, and let it marinate for about 10 minutes. Step 2. Prepare the ingredients. Peel, core, and dice the apple into medium-sized pieces. Mince the garlic. Step 3. Fry the pork chop. Heat oil in a pan and fry the pork chop over high heat until both sides are golden brown. Set aside. Step 4. Make the applesauce. In a pot, cook the apple pieces with water until they soften. Then add the soy sauce, mirin, honey, and minced garlic. Stir well and simmer over medium-low heat for about 10 minutes until the sauce thickens. Step 5. Final step. Add the fried pork chop to the applesauce and simmer over low heat for a few minutes to let the pork absorb the sauce. Done. Afterthoughts. The sweet and sour apple pieces cut through the richness of the pork, making it incredibly satisfying with rice. I hope this dish brings you a delightful dining experience. If you have any other questions or need more recipes, feel free to let me know. Tip: this time we used a blend of bonito soy sauce and artisanal soy sauce from Yuasa to create the Japanese soy sauce, adding depth to the flavor.